Good morning, everyone. We are team number ninjas. Okay, sorry. We are team number ninjas from the Viksit Bharat Innovation Project under Google the President. We are team number ninjas and our project title is Innovative Ideas to Save Water. And this topic is based on one quote which is that the value of water is only fulfilled when it's empty. Our team consists of 5 members: Bhavya, Ananya, Ashi, Hari, and Utkarsh. Myself, Hari. We are guided by Swati Dikshit ma'am. Now we will kindly like to follow along with the preview. Now I would like to invite Utkarsh to represent this preview.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Utkarsh Gupta from class 9B. Here to present my topic. My topic is grey water recycling. Let me understand what is grey water. Grey water means uses of water from recycling waste. Now, my first question is, how can we do it? We can reuse water from sinks, showers, and washing machines. So we can use the wastewater in the many processes like sink, shower, and washing machine. Now, second is, how can we implement? We can divert the grey water to flush toilets and in-migrate garden. So we can implement this wastewater to the flush toilets and in-migrate garden. Thank you to all,
I would like to.
and I have to represent my friends Siddhi Nagar.
Good morning to all, and my name is Siddhinagar, here to represent my topic, grey water treatment system. As my friend Uttar said, what are grey water now? I will tell you that what we can do. We can install advanced system that filter grey water from sink and shower. Our houses have many problems like leaking, and then we can solve it from grey water treatment system. How it would help? System would remove contaminated making grey water safe for use inside our homes. And their benefits are extend water reuse, option save, reduce fresh water uses even further. In our daily life, everyone wants clear and simple water. Or by using this method of grey water treatment system, we can easily get fresh water. Now, I would like to invite my friends to represent their duty. Thank you.
Another topic is water leak detection technology. What we can do? We can install smart home devices that monitor the water continuously. How it would work? It would detect small leaks early and send instant alerts to households. What are its benefits? Prevents water wastage and damage from undetected leaks. Saves money and water bills and costly repairs. On the basis of this topic, we can install smart home appliances that will monitor the water flow. And the benefits of this that water wastage would reduce and the sale of water bills would be appreciated. Now another topic is automatic faucet shut-off sensors. What can it do? The touchless faucets equipped with sensors that detect when water is moving. These are the special taps which have sensors built in it. It senses when our hand is close to it and then it only passes the water for use. How does it work? As I've said, it automatically shuts off the water flow when not in use. Its benefits are enhances hygiene by minimizing touch points, easy to install in kitchens and bathrooms. We can use this in bathrooms and kitchens because those are the unhygienic areas in our house. Now for the next slide, I would like to invite Ananya.
My name is Ananya and my topic is smart water meter. What does it do? It is real-life water usage monitoring installed at the household level. पहले हम ये जानते हैं कि स्मार्ट वाटर मीटर होता क्या है। स्मार्ट वाटर मीटर एक ऐसा वाटर मेजरिंग डिवाइस है जो कि पानी कहाँ कितना यूज हो कहाँ कितना वेस्ट हो हमें ये बताता है। हाउ डज इट वर्क? ये पानी के फ्लो का डेटा हमारे फोन में भेजता है जिससे हम ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि कहाँ कितना यूज है जिससे हम पानी की किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को जल्द से जल्द ठीक करा सकते हैं. Now let's move to another topic. Water pressure regulators. How does it do? The device is installed in home from plumbing to control income water pressure. एक ऐसा डिवाइस है जो कि घर में इंस्टॉल होता है और पानी के वाटर प्रेशर को कंट्रोल करता है. How does it work? It reduces excessive pressure that causes unnecessary water flow. इसके बेनिफिट्स ये हैं कि lower water wastage by controlling flow rates maintains comfortable water pressure. Thank you.
Now let's move to the other slide. Dishwasher sensors. What is it? Dishwashers with sensors that detect the level of dirtiness on dishes. As we know that dishwasher is used for washing dishes, dirty dishes and another utensils. How does it work? It adjusts the water volume and cycle length based on clean needs. Hence, dishwasher is an automatic home appliance. So it could be adjusted the water volume which is needed to clean the utensils and length based the time days for the cleaning. The benefits are reducing energy consumption alongside water savings. By using the dishwasher sensors idea, we can reduce the energy consumption by the house, the power, electricity, and we would save water bills. Ensures efficient cleaning without waste. The efficient cleaning would be done because the adequate amount of volume, adequate water volume, and length base of the clean is affected. As we move to the end of the slide, thank you, DRT Company.